how to add multiple receipts in Expensify. In this video, I'll show you how to add multiple receipts in Expensify. So to get started, go ahead and open the Expensify website on your browser and then go ahead and sign in into your Expensify account. And then from here, head over into the Reports tab. And then from the Reports tab, head over into the plus icon at the bottom left of your screen and then select create report from here and then click on add expense, create expense, and then upload those two receipts that you have. So if you have more than two receipts, you can go ahead and click on the choose files button and then go ahead and select that receipts that you want to upload or add for this specific report. So go ahead and select that multiple receipts on your local drive and then click on the open button to upload that receipts for this specific report. So once you have done that, this receipt will now be added into your report. So in here, click on create two expenses to add this on your report. So after that, this would be added to that specific report. If you want to add more items to your report, you can go ahead and click on this more button at the top right of your screen. And then from there, go ahead and select create expense. So you can add as much receipts as you prefer for as long as this report is not yet submitted. So that is how you can basically add multiple receipts in Expensify. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more videos like this.